The idea of using light as a weapon can be traced back to Hippocrates, commander of the Greek forces in 212 BC. His forces supposedly set fire to the sails of the Roman fleet by focusing sunlight with mirrors. Weapon systems based on lasers and ray guns, long a staple of science fiction, have captured the imagination of people everywhere. But with steady progress toward the development of lasers in the last 40 years, viable, state-of-the-art laser weapon systems have now become a reality. The first laser was developed in the 1960s and represented the beginning of a drastic change in how the military viewed warfare. The late 1970s and 1980s marked a busy time period for developing lasers into possible weapon systems. In 2000, the Joint Technology Office for High-Energy Lasers was formed to bring all laser technologies together to develop a complete laser weapon system that could be used by the warfighter. A laser weapon is a type of directed energy weapon that uses lasers to inflict damage. Despite decades of research and development, as of 2023, directed energy weapons, including lasers, remain at the experimental stage. One of the major issues with laser weapons is atmospheric thermal blooming, which is still largely unsolved. This issue is exacerbated when there is fog, smoke, dust, rain, snow, smog, foam, or purposely dispersed obscurant chemicals present. In essence, a laser generates a beam of light that requires clear air or a vacuum to operate. Weapons designed to cause temporary blindness, known as dazzlers, are used by military and sometimes law enforcement organizations. Incidents of pilots being exposed to lasers while flying have prompted aviation authorities to implement special procedures to deal with such hazards. Laser weapons capable of directly damaging or destroying a target in combat are still in the experimental stage. The general idea of laser beam weaponry is to hit a target with a train of brief pulses of light. The power needed to project a high-powered laser beam of this kind is beyond the limit of current mobile power technology, thus favoring chemically powered gas dynamic lasers. Example experimental systems included MIRACL and the tactical high-energy laser, which are now discontinued. The United States Navy has tested the very short-range 30-kilowatt laser weapon system or LAWS to be used against targets like small UAVs, rocket-propelled grenades, and visible motorboat or helicopter engines. It has been defined as 6 welding lasers strapped together. A 60-kilowatt system, Helios, is being developed for destroyer-class ships as of 2020. Dielectric mirrors, inexpensive ablative coatings, thermal transport delay, and obscurants are also being studied as countermeasures. That's all for today. See you in another video.